Still swiping after every single short or reel video? What if the next video just played automatically, every single time? And when it's time to take a break, the screen gently blocks your feed, helping you shift your focus back to what actually matters. And not just that, autoscroll also works inside picture-in-picture mode, so you can multitask while your reels or shorts keep playing and scrolling automatically in a floating window. Meet Smart Auto Scroll Assist, a Chrome extension built for hands-free and smarter short-form video watching. It automatically scrolls to the next video the moment the current one ends. No clicking, no swiping, no interruptions. It works across all major platforms, including YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Facebook Reels, completely hands-free. To install it, go to Chrome Web Store and search for autoscroll and PiP for Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. You'll recognize it by this thumbnail. Click on it, then click Add to Chrome. Once installed, pin the extension so it's always easy to access. Click the extension icon to open the control panel. Everything is managed from one place. Here, you can turn auto scroll on or off for each platform individually. For example, I'll enable it for YouTube Shorts. Refresh the page once, and that's it. From now on, every time a video ends, it automatically scrolls to the next one. No manual swiping required. Next is the picture-in-picture feature. Go to the Floating Video tab and enable it. You'll see a PiP icon appear at the top right of the video. Click it, and the video pops out into a floating window. You can drag it anywhere or resize it as needed. Now you can watch Reels while working, studying, or doing anything else. But that's not all. There's also a break timer. Enable it, set your interval, and if you want to control video speed, then you can do that as well from here. I'll keep this as is. Now, whenever the time is up, the extension blocks Reels like this, helping you step away and reset. Smart Auto Scroll Assist also includes built-in usage statistics. You can track daily and total scrolls for each platform and export the data as a CSV file. This is perfect for content creators researching trends, students taking short breaks, professionals multitasking, or anyone who wants smooth, uninterrupted content discovery. Thanks for watching, and enjoy hands-free scrolling.